ประมาณ20 บาท
Just squeeze them dry.
ต่างกันโอ้ประมาณ
Comes out that side, yeah. We drink back. I love that really nice.
Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on.
It's raining. It's raining quite hard. Angkor Wat is not looking so good anymore. It's a shame to come all the way to Cambodia and not be able to go to Angkor Wat, but it's absolutely pelting it down, chucking it down, thunder and lightning. What to do? Last night we went to Top Bar for some food. It was very nice. They're not as cheap as I thought it was going to be. Everyone kept saying how cheap Cambodia is, but I think that meal from there and the drinks were pretty averagely priced compared to Thailand. Maybe it's because it's a heavy tourist spot. So obviously you're paying that premium, aren't you? And then we did some local bars around Pub Street. Again, drinks were about $5 each. We drank a lot last night. I think one bar we racked up a $90 bill. So yeah. First night, after that we crashed out. Been a long day. Today is the first full day we are here. Like I say, I was going to go to Angkor Wat, but doesn't look like that's happening today. I might just have a walk around local to the hotel and show you some bits and bobs from that. So yeah, let's go do that today.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness. Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb. I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up. Cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Mango candy? $2. The best $2 I've ever spent. No, that's what you need.
No tuk-tuk today.
I don't you have my size.
This is it. We've got your size outside.
I will not want anything. Your mum. Come back with your mum. Food, he's happy now.
จะถูกไหมฉันอยากกินลองกอง
Yeah, roar.
How much?
I like that.
10,000 1 กิโลเป็นเงินไทยเท่าไหร่
อันนี้เงินไทยเหรอ
ไม่ใช่อันนี้เงินเดิมเองเงิน
ก็ประมาณเท่าไหร่วะ
5 บาทครับ
ไม่5 บาทมันไม่ใช่5 บาท ประมาณ20 บาท
Just squeeze them dry.
ต่างบาทประมาณ
It's out that side, yeah. We drink bamboo.
Yeah delusional sweet
Well, I know it's original, yeah, I see that.
you want try the
I
sweet
don't want to try.
like sweet like
you want to taste
No, no.
okay
เอาไปเสียวเลย
เนื้อเข้าตอนบ้านเราตัวนี้เป็นร้านข้าวแกงไทยๆนะน่ากินมากเลย
I love that.